Hello everyone, welcome back to the channel. In this video I'm going to walk you through an easy guide and steps on how to cancel standstill account subscription. So if you want to cancel your standstill account subscription, here's a quick and straightforward guide on how you can easily get it done within a minute. So let's quickly dive into it. So for you to be able to cancel, you have to go to your standstill and log in into your account. Very important. So go to your settings from your dashboard and click the setting option in the left hand menu. So after that, you have to find and click the billing or subscription settings. You will see your active subscription plan and payment details. So from there, you have to click cancel subscription. So select cancel subscription or manage subscription and follow the prompt to confirm the cancellation. After that, Stand will ask for a reason or show a confirmation message. Click confirm to complete the process. After that, you will receive an email confirmation that your subscription has been cancelled. And here's a quick reminder that after cancelling, you will have access until your current billing period ends. So make sure to download any important details before then. And that's how you can easily cancel standstill account subscription. Hope you find the video helpful. If you did, turn on the notification button and subscribe for more.